As far as New Music Friday goes, seeing Cherine Anderson back in the studio was pure delight for reggae fans in 2020. But the songbird, however, has shifted her gear into gospel music with Victory.
Victory, my God, my God. Victory, my God, my God, my God, my God, how you love me.
The official audio was released last May. However, the track got new life when the visuals dropped a few days ago. Leading up to the visuals, Cherine shared with her fans her personal struggles, which led to her stepping back and, as she puts it, taking a life audit. Cherine is known for the social commentary song How We Living and the Lovers Anthem Coming Over with Chuck Fender. She changed her image in 2012 with a suggestive Afi comeback before taking a break from the music scene for a career in real estate. Now, Jamaica's culture was caught in the middle of the Australian military fire and media deception. Now, on Wednesday, the Australian Navy came under heavy fire for its choice to commission 101 Doll Squadron, an all-female Sydney dancehall troupe, for an official event. The dancers' scanty attire and winding up to Sean Paul's Bossy and Coffee's toast at the official Navy ship launch, which was thought to be in front of official top brass, was greeted with media headlines such as Troop Shocks Top Brass and Twerking Disgrace. However, yesterday the spokesman for Australian Governor General broke ranks and accused the Australian media house ABC of doctoring the video to show an audience watching where there was none. The dance troupe also issued a statement describing the editing of the video as creepy. The Australian Prime Minister has since called the ABC story disappointing and unfair to the female dancers. ABC has since apologized to the Navy, government and general public, admitting that the video was actually doctored.
I am not worried that it's all about short shots and revealing tops. So pay attention, link the practitioners, and ask questions.
Jamaica's dancehall music coming under fire is nothing new, even at home. Many can remember the criticism that followed Spice's 2016 performance for Our Athletes. Me know me good. Now this weekend, Fame Frequency embraces the soca culture for a virtual road march. Soca junkies are asked to come out in their costumes and join Fame 95 FM DJs, Soca junkies Arif Cooper, King Taj and Franco, plus DJ Roderick on the virtual road with a special guest performance from soca crossover artist Mr. Vegas. Guess I'm dusting off my costume. I'm Daedran reporting for the weekend edition of E Prime. Have a good one.